Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I really hope you liked the past video on the alphabet. Today I will cover lesson 2, which is gender rules. There is not always possible to guess what is the gender of nouns in Spanish. This is actually one of the biggest challenges that students of Spanish as a foreign language have. But here, we're going to give you some tips to help you out. One thing to point out is that in the Spanish language, all nouns are either masculine or feminine. So in this lesson, I will try to show you all some of the nouns that are mostly used on a daily basis conversation. Something very important to mention is that when you learn a new noun, you should also learn its definite article, el or la, for masculine and feminine respectively. So first off, why do you care whether a noun is masculine or feminine? This is actually a very good question. As you shall see in the following lessons, the Spanish language places more emphasis on gender than does English. Anyway, let's get started. Here you have some basic but useful rules you can follow. Gender rules for masculine nouns. Number 1. Nouns that have an ending in O. Some examples are el libro, the book, el gato, the cat, el trabajo, the work, el vestido, the suit, el teatro, the theater. Some exceptions are la mano, the hand, la radio, the radio, la foto, the photo. Number 2. Nouns that refers to males. Some examples are el abuelo, the grandfather, el hijo, the son, el tío, the uncle. Notice the mark above the vowel I. This mark is called tilde. It's basically an accent mark to denote the strongest accent of the word. Also, it is only used on the vowels. There are more rules to know when to put this mark, but we are not going to cover those for now. Number 3. Numbers. Some examples are el 5, the 5, el 20, the 20, el 99, the 99. Number 4. Nouns of Greek origin that end in ma or pa. Examples: el idioma, the language, el programa, the program, el tema, the theme, el poema, the poem, el sistema, the system, el mapa, the map. Exceptions: la crema, the cream, la cama, the bed. Number 5. Days of the week, months of the year, and compass directions. Examples: el lunes, the Monday, el domingo, the Saturday, enero, January, diciembre, December, el norte, the north, el sur, the south. Number 6. Nouns ended with an accented vowel, a, e, I, o, u. Examples: el colibrí, the hummingbird, el sofá, the couch, el tabú, the taboo. Number 7. Certain endings such as aje, hambre, or the following group: an, en, in, on, un, with or without an accent mark. Examples: el viaje, the trip; el calambre, the cramp; el motor, the motor; el pan, the bread; el atún, the tuna; el jamón, the ham; el espadín, the spread. Exceptions: la flor, the flower; la imagen, the image. Number 8. The infinitive used as noun. Examples: el comer, eating; el hablar, speaking; el saltar, jumping; el beber, drinking; el jugar, playing. Let's switch to feminine nouns. Number 1. Nouns ending in a. Examples: la camisa, the shirt; la rosa, the rose; la profesora, the teacher; la guitarra, the guitar; la comida, the food. Exceptions: el planeta, the planet; el cometa, the comet; el día, the day; el arma, the gun; el clima, the weather. Number 2. Certain suffixes such as sion, sion, son, ia, sa, dad, tat, tis. Some examples are la canción, the song; la presión, the pressure; la pobreza, the poverty; la economía, the economy; la felicidad, the happiness; la libertad, the freedom. Number 3. The name of some countries, city names ending in a, and islands. Examples: Francia, France; Barcelona, Barcelona; Sicilia, Sicily. Number 4. Nouns that refers to female. Examples: la hija, the daughter; la madre, the mother; la mujer, the woman; la tía, the aunt. Number 5. The letters of the alphabet. Examples: la letra F, the letter F; la letra A, the letter A. Number 6. Colors used as nouns. Examples: el azul, the blue; el negro, the black. Here are more examples for all of you. Can you tell on these 20 nouns on this list whether the noun is masculine or feminine? I will give you some time. Nice work. Are you ready for the answers? Here they are, and check the mistakes if you have any. With the tools that you now have, you can practice what you have learned so far. Remembering these basic rules is about long-term exposure and practice. That's all for today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you again for your time, and see you guys next time. Nos vemos pronto.